Next, another problem here. Maximize the function. Maximize the objective function z equal to 11x plus 7y subject to the constraints 2x plus y less than or equal to 6, x less than or equal to 2, x is more than y greater than or equal to 0. These are also simple constraints here. These are also simple constraints. Okay. Here the objective function. Objective function. The objective function means the function which is going to be maximized or minimized. That is z equal to 11x plus 7y. Constraints, given constraints. 2x plus y less than or equal to 6, x less than or equal to 2, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Let us take the line 2x plus y equal to 6. Instead of inequality, I am taking equality here to draw that line. So, in intercept form, that is x by 3 plus y by 6 equal to 1. By dividing 6 with 6 on both sides, we get x by 3 plus y by 6 equal to 1. So, the line is, so this line passes through 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. Next constraint is x less than or equal to 2. X less than or equal to 2 means left x less than 2. X less than 2 means half plane, open half plane which is left to that of x equal to 2 line. Okay. X is greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0, or both the feasible region is to be considered in first quadrant. Okay. Let us draw this feasible region. X axis, y axis, origin. The line 2x plus y equal to 6 is the line that passes through 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. So, let us take this line like this. 2x plus y equal to 6 and x equal to 2 is the vertical line. Of course, x equal to 2 line. X equal to 2 line. X is left to that of half plane, left to that of x equal to 2 to be considered here. That means this region. And this is less than 2x plus y less than or equal to 6 means below the region. So, this region and this region, and which is confined to first quadrant, is this clear region, is the feasible region. Taking x equal to 2 here, this point of intersection with x equal to 2 is 2 comma 2 itself. 2 comma 2 itself. Taking x equal to 2 in this line, we get y equal to 2. So that solving x equal to 2 and 2x plus y equal to 6, you can mention it. Solving x plus 2x plus y equal to 6 and x equal to 2, we get 2 comma 2. Okay. Now, the feasible region, this is the point 2 comma 0 of course, because x equal to 2 is the vertical line drawn at x equal to 2. So, the feasible region is, let us suppose this is the point A, this is the point B, this is the point C. The feasible region is O, A, B, C here. The convex polygon, of course, OA, BCO, where corners, vertices are 0, 0, A 2 comma 0, B is 2 comma 2, C is 0 comma 6. This is a closed region. Since the feasible region is a closed region, let us observe the values of Z at the corners, at the vertices. Z at 0, 0 is 11 into 0 plus 7 into 0, that is 0. Z at A 2 comma 0, 11 into 2 plus 7 into 0, 22. And Z at B 2 comma 2, 11 into 2 plus 7 into 2, 22 plus 14, 36. And moreover, Z at C, C is 0 comma 6, 11 into 0 plus 7 into 6, 42. Out of these values, out of 4 values, the maximum value is obtained at C 0 comma 6. So, Z maximum is 42, attained at the corner, attained at the corner C. So, the solution of this linear programming problem is 42, because the maximum value of the objective function is 42. Like that, you draw the feasible region graphically. Once you obtain the feasible region and it was observed that the feasible region is closed, the optimal value of the objective function is obtained at the corners of the feasible region. The optimization means either maximum or minimum is obtained at the corners of these feasible regions. Okay. Stand by. Okay, exercise 12.1 problems based on exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1 problems. Second problem, problem number 2. Minimize z equal to minus 3x plus 4y subject to x plus 2y is less than or equal to 8. 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. We have to minimize the given linear function z equal to minus 3x plus 4y subject to the given conditions or constraints. X plus 2y less than or equal to 8, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Here objective function. Here objective function is z equal to minus 3x plus 4. Given constraints. Given constraints or x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. Moreover, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Find the feasible region of these constraints. So, to find the feasible region of these constraints, let us take x plus 2y equal to 8. Instead of inequality, just I am taking equality here. That may be reduced to intercept form by dividing both sides with 8. We can reduce this equation to its intercept form, x by 8 plus y by 4 equal to 1. So, this line passes through the points 8, 0 and 0, 4. Once reducing the given line to the intercept form, we can get the points where that line meets the x-axis as well as y-axis. With the help of these x-intercept and y-intercept, we can get those 2 points. Once we have these 2 points, you can draw the line. Graphically, you can sketch the line. Similarly, let us take from other condition 3x plus 2y equal to 12. By dividing with 12, we get this is x by 4 plus y by 6 equal to 1, which passes through the points 4, 0, 0, 6, which passes through the points here 4, 0 and 0, 4. X greater than or equal to 0, right to that of y axis. Y greater than or equal to 0, above to x axis. So, that is clearly non-negative constraints. Now, I will draw the feasible region here. Let us find the feasible region by sketch the graph of these lines and inequalities, based on the inequalities. So, the line x plus 2y equal to 8 passes through 8, 0. This is 8, 0 and the other point is 0, 4. Okay. This is one such line. This is one such line. X plus 2y less than or equal to 8 means you have to consider below the line, half plane below the line. Similarly, 3x plus 2y equal to 12 line, which passes through clearly 4, 0 and then 6, 0, 6. So, take this line. This is the line x plus 2y equal to 8. This is the line 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So the region is below this line and below this line, because less than or equal to 8 and less than or equal to 12 means you have to consider below this line and below this line region, and which is confined to first quadrant. So that region is clearly this region. The region which is below this line as well as below this line is the required feasible region. Let this region is OA BC. OA BC. Here C is 0 comma 4. Of course, C is 0 comma 4. Now we have to find B. B is nothing but the intersection of these two lines. Solving the lines. Solving the lines, 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Again x plus 2y equal to 8. Taking subtraction, we get 2x takes the value 4, hence x takes the value 2. By taking x equal to 2 in any one of the line, y takes the value 3. So the required point of intersection of the lines B is 2 comma 3. Hence B takes the value 2 comma 3. Now the region, the feasible region is here. The feasible region is OA BC, where the vertices are O0, 0, A is the point 4 comma 0, and B is the point of intersection of the lines 2 comma 3, and C, the other vertex is 0 comma 4. Clearly this is a closed region, bounded region. Once it is bounded region, the optimal value of objective function attains at the vertices or corners. So therefore, Z at the corner O, Z, the value of Z at the corner O is minus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0, that is 0. Similarly, Z at the corner A, 4 comma 0 is minus 3 into 4, taking y value as 0, we get minus 12. Similarly, Z at B, 2 comma 3, that is minus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3, minus 6, 12 plus 12 gives us 6. Similarly, Z at the other corner C, 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4 is minus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 4, that is 16. Out of these values, 0, minus 12, 6 and 16. Out of these 4 values, the minimum value is here minus 12. So therefore, Z minimum is minus 12, attains at the point 4 comma 0 itself. 4 comma 0 itself. The minimum value of Z is minus 12. Minimizing the given function with the help of the given constraints or given inequalities is minus 12, which is at 4 comma 0 itself. That is minimization problem. Minimization problem. Next one. Next problem. Next problem is also same. Here in the third problem, just we have to maximize the function with the given conditions. So let us take maximization problem also. Problem number 3, third problem. In 12.1 exercise, third problem. Maximize z equal to 5x plus 3y subject to the conditions, subject to 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 12, less than or equal to 15, not 12, and 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. Both x and y are non-negative. Okay. Here is also we have two constraints. The remaining two constraints are non-negative constraints. So you have to maximize the objective function z equal to 5x plus 3y with the help of these constraints. Given objective function, given objective function is z equal to 5x plus 3y. Given constraints or conditions, (3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15), 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 10, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now let us take, instead of inequalities, take equalities here. Let us consider 3x plus 5y equal to 50. By dividing both sides with 15, we get x by 5 plus y by 3 equal to 1, which passes through, that means the line passes through points 5, 0 and 0, 3. So this line may be drawn through the points 5, 0 and 0, 3 itself. Similarly, again let us consider another line 5x plus 2y equal to 10. By dividing both sides with 10, we get x by 2 plus y by 5 equal to 1, which passes through, this line passes through 2, 0 and 0, 5. X greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. That means both x and y are to be considered in the first quadrant or on x-axis, positive x-axis or positive y-axis. So that means the feasible region may be considered like this. Let us consider the graph of the feasible region. The lines, the first line is passing through 5, 0 and 0, 3. 5, 0 lies on x-axis, 0, 3 lies on y-axis, which is at a distance of 3 units here and 5 units from origin on the x-axis. This is the line given by 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Another line 5x plus 2y equal to 10, which passes through 2, 0 and 0, 5. 0, 5. This is 0, 5. This is the line 5x plus 2y equal to 10. Now, by observing the conditions or constraints, here 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15 means below the line 1, and 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 10 means below this line. Both the regions are below this line and this line, and moreover the feasible region is in the first quadrant only. Hence, the required region is this polygon. Let us suppose the vertices of the polygon be O, A, B, C. Here you have to find B. The B is intersection of these two lines. So, B is obtained by solving the lines 3x plus 5y equal to 15, 5x plus 2y equal to 10, we get B. Just taking the solution, multiply this one with 5 and this one with 3. 2 we get 6x plus 10y takes the value 30, and taking multiplication with 5 we get 10y equal to 50. Subtraction, we get minus 19x equal to minus 20. X takes the value 20 by 90. Okay. Multiplying the first condition, 3x plus first line with 2, 6x plus 10y equal to 30. Multiplying the second one with 5, 25x plus 10y equal to 50. Taking subtraction, you can eliminate y, and minus 19x gives us minus 20x equal to 20 by 19. So, taking x equal to 20 by 19 in this one, y value, y equal to 1 by 2 into 10 minus 100 by 19. So, 90 by 19 into 1 by 2, that is 45 by 90. So, x takes the value 20 by 19, y takes the value 45 by 90. By solving the two lines, the point of intersection is nothing but here B. So, you can solve this, you can show this solution. Now, the feasible region is, so OABC is feasible region where the vertices or corners are origin, A is 2, 0, of course B is 20 by 19, 45 by 19, and C is 0, 3. Now, obtain the value of Z at these corners. Therefore, Z at origin, the objective functional value at origin, that is 5 into 0 plus 3 into 0, clearly 0. Z at A, 2, 0, 5 into 2 plus 3 into 0, 10. Z at B, that is 20 by 19, 45 by 19, that is 5 into 20 by 19 plus 3 into 45 by 90, 100 plus this is 135 by 19, 235 by 19. 235 by 19 gives us, this is 1, 12 times 30, of course 45, 38, 7 by 19. And Z at C is 5 into 0 plus 3 into 3, that is 9. out of these values, the maximum value is obtained at B. The maximum value is 12, 7 by 9. 12, 7 by 9. So Z maximum value is 235 by 90. Attained at the point, the corner 20 by 19, comma 45 by 19. So this is the way of maximizing or minimizing the function. Another problem. Next one. Let us take the sixth one. Problem number 6 in exercise 12.1. Minimize z equal to x plus 2y subject to 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 3, x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 6, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Minimize the function z equal to x plus 2y subject to 2x plus y greater than or equal to 3, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6, x and y are non-negative. Here objective function is z equal to x plus 2y. Given conditions or constraints are 2x plus y greater than or equal to 3, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. So let us take the line x plus 2x plus y equal to 3, the first one. Instead of inequality, just I am taking equality here. That is, by dividing with 3, we get x by 3 by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1 is the intercept form of this line. This line passes through 3 by 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. This is the first line. And the second line is similarly. Let us consider from the second condition the line x plus 2y equal to 6. Dividing with 6, we get x by 6 plus y by 3 equal to 1, which the line passes through 3 the point 6 comma 0 and 0 comma 3, because x intercept is 6 and y intercept is 3. The other two conditions are non-negative conditions, constraints. So the feasible region must be considered in only first quadrant. These two announces that the feasible region to be considered only in the first quadrant based on these two lines. So let us sketch the feasible region. Let us draw the feasible region on two-dimensional plane. So this is the line 2x plus y equal to 3. Line passes through 3 by 2 comma 0, that means 1.5 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. This is 3 by 2 comma 0 and 3, 0 comma 3. That should be line. This is the line 3 by 2 comma 0. 3 by 2 comma 0, which is 2x plus y equal to 3 line. The other one is 6 comma 0, 0 comma 3. 6 comma 0, 0 comma 3. This is the line. X plus 2y takes the value 6. Both are intersecting at 0 comma 3. Now the region in the first quadrant which satisfies these two conditions, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 3 means the above area. Similarly, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6 means above area. Okay. Once you put 0, 0, 0 is greater than or equal to 6. So that 0, 0 is out of the possible solutions of this inequality. So the possible solutions of inequality are this region, common region. Okay. This is the region. This is the region. Unbounded region. Actually, this is unbounded region. Here we have two corners. The feasible region is unbounded here. The feasible region is unbounded, not bounded. So observe, let us these points be A and B. Here feasible region is unbounded. Region is not bounded, unbounded. Okay, unbounded. The boundary line of this region is AB, x-axis and y-axis. The boundary lines. So AB, x-axis and y-axis only. Where A is 6 comma 0 and B is 0 comma 3. Let us observe the objective function at AB. Now, Z at A 6 comma 0. Z at 6 comma 0 is 6 plus 2 into 0, that is 6. Z at B 0 plus 2 into 3, that is 6. At these two values A and B, Z takes 6 only. For remaining points, Z must take more than that value, because once you take it as a minimum value, of the function, let us observe that, the line, otherwise the region. Observe the region x plus 2y is greater than 6. Let us observe the region x plus 2y is greater than 6. Z is more than 6. Let us observe the region x plus 2y, that means z more than 6. That is the above region of above region. Draw the line x plus 2y equal to 6 here. That is x by 6. That is x by 6 plus y by 3 equal to 1 above region. Above region. X by 6 and above region, this region. So, once if you consider x plus 2y equal to 6, x plus 2y equal to 6, that is the minimum. This is the minimum. Because x plus 2y minimum value is 6. So, the minimum value of z is clearly 6 because x plus 2y takes minimum. In the feasible region, minimum value is 6. Okay. Once you draw this line, that line is this. The other points are above that region. In the feasible region, the other points are never below this value 6. That means never below this line x plus 2y equal to 6. And 6 is the minimum value. Let us observe the region x plus 2y equal to 6, which is our feasible region itself. Feasible region itself. Okay. Hence, z minimum is 6 itself. Z minimum is 6 itself. The minimum of z is here 6. Maximum cannot be obtained here. The maximum value of z does not exist here. Only minimum exists to this linear function x plus 2y with the help of these given constraints. The minimum value is 6. At all points on the line segment joining AB, at all points on the line joining this AB, that minimum value of z exists, which attains at all points on the line segment AB, on segment AB itself. Okay. Whatever may be the point that you consider on this line, it gives us 6, the value 6, the minimum value of z. This is in case of unbounded region. Here the maximum of z does not exist. Note point. In above problem, z maximum does not exist. Only minimum exists. This is one good problem. Okay. Let us take 8th problem. in exercise 12.1, eighth one. Minimize and maximize. Minimize and maximize z equal to x plus 2y, subject to the constraints. Here the constraints are x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100, 2x minus y less than or equal to 0, 2x plus y less than or equal to 200. Both x and y are non-negative. Here are 4 conditions are given. Here are 4 conditions are given. X plus 2y is greater than or equal to 100. 2x minus y less than or equal to 0. 2x plus y less than or equal to 200. X and y greater than or equal to 0. Here objective function. Objective function is z is x plus 2y. X plus 2y. Given constraints. Given constraints is x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100. 2x minus y less than or equal to 0. 2x plus y less than or equal to 200. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Now, take the straight lines, consider the straight lines. X plus 2y equal to 100. That gives us x by 100 plus y by 50 equal to 1. Passes through 100 comma 0 and 0 comma 50. Next, second one. Similarly, 2x minus y equal to 0. 2x minus y equal to 0 implies y equal to 2x. Line through origin, because it is in the form of y equal to mx. Line through origin and passes through first and third quadrants. Line through origin lies in Q1 and Q3. Quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. 2x plus y, and the third line 2x plus y equal to 200 implies x by 100 plus y by 200. Passes through 100 comma 0 comma 0 comma 200. Okay. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 means feasible region is to be considered in first quadrant only. Now draw these lines. To obtain the feasible region, draw these lines. Let us consider the two-dimensional plane. The first line, x plus 2y equal to 100. X plus 2y equal to 100 means it passes through 100 comma 0 and 0 comma 50. 100 comma 0 and 0 comma 50. Okay. 100 comma 0, 0 comma 50. 0 comma 50. Okay. On joining these two lines, we get the first line. We get the first line. X plus 2y equal to 100. X plus 2y greater than or equal to 100 means above that line. The region above this line. The region above this line. This part satisfies this inequality. Whatever may be the point that you consider above this line satisfies that condition, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100. So in second condition, the line is passing through origin and it lies in first quadrant and third quadrant. Y equal to 2x line, y equal to 2x. Suppose this is the line, y equal to 2x line, or 2x minus y equal to 0 line. Solving these two, we get this point. Solving these two, we get this point. Taking y equal to 2x, we get 5x equal to 100, x equal to 20, x equal to 20, x equal to 20 means y equal to 40. This is the point 20 comma 40, 20 comma 40. By solving these two lines, replacing y with 2x, we get 5x equal to 100, x takes the value 20, so that y takes the value 40. Similarly, coming to the other line, 2x plus y equal to 200, it passes through 100 comma 0, this point, as well as 0 comma 200. So join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Yes, right line. Okay, which gives us 2x plus y is 200. These two are intersecting at this point 100 comma 0. These two are. Whereas y equal to 2x line meets this one at x equal to 50. This is 50 and this is 100. 50 comma 100 is the point of intersection of 2x plus y equal to 200 and 2x minus y equal to 0. So this is the point 20 comma 40. This is the point 50 comma 100. This is 20, 40. Okay. Now the feasible region. Actually, this is x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 100. X plus 2y is more than 100 means above the region, this region in the first quadrant. This is the region. Okay. Next one, 2x plus y less than or equal to 20. 2x plus y less than or equal to 20, below the region, this region, below the region. From this line above the region, from this line below the region to be considered. Next, 2x minus y less than or equal to 0 means below this region, below this region. Because once you put 100 comma 0, we get 200 less than 0. Okay. So hence above the region to be considered. Y equal to 2x minus y less than or equal to 0 means y 2x is less than or equal to y is greater than or equal to 2x above the line. So the required region is the above the region. Okay. 200 gives us negative and 100 gives us positive. Okay. Positive 100, 200 is less than or equal to 0 is not possible. So hence it is out of the region. Okay. Out of the region. Right. So this is the feasible region. Let us suppose the vertices are A, B, C, D. So the feasible region is here. Feasible region is region A, B, C, D. Feasible region A is region A, B, C, D, where A is the corner or vertex A is 20, 40. B is the point of intersection of 2x minus y equal to 0 and 2x plus y equal to 200. That is 50, 100. And C is 0, 200. and D is 0 comma 50. Now observe the value of Z at these points because it is a closed region. So Z at A is x plus 2y. X plus 2y means 20 plus 2 into y. Y takes the value 40. So that is 80 plus 100, 20, 100. Z at B, that is 50 plus 2 into 100, 250. Z at C, 0 plus 2 into 200, that is 400. Okay. Z at C. Z at D. Z at D is 0 plus 2 into 50, 0 comma 50, that is 100. Okay. Now, out of these Z values, the minimum and maximum values, x plus 2y, here the minimum is 100 clearly. Minimum x plus 2y is more than 100 to be considered. X and y to be considered so that x plus 2y is more than 100 or 100. So the minimum is 100 is here. So Z minimum is 100. At x value, we have two such points at A and D, 20 comma 40 and 0 comma 50. Maximum is at C. Z maximum is 400. At C, the point is 0 comma 200. So minimum and maximum of the objective function or exists here. The minimum and maximum of objective function exists here, and they takes 100. The minimum is 100. Attains at 2 points, 0 comma 50 and 20 comma 40. Maximum is 400. Attains at 0 comma 200. So that should be observed here. This condition is more important. This one is more important. 2x minus y less than or equal to 0 means once you take 2x minus y less than or equal to 0 means y is greater than or equal to 2x. Above the line y equal to 2x. That is to be observed here. Above the line y equal to 2x, and below this line and above this line. That reason to be considered here. Problem number 9. Maximize z equal to minus x plus 2y subject to the constraints. subject to the constraints x greater than or equal to 3, x plus y greater than or equal to 5, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6. Okay. Next one, y greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than or equal to 0. We have to maximize the function. We have to maximize the function. So here objective function. Here objective function is z equal to minus x plus 2y. Constraints. Given constraints is x greater than or equal to 3, x plus y greater than or equal to 5, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6, y is non-negative. Consider x plus y equal to 5 line. That is x by 5 plus y by 5 equal to 1. Passes through 5 comma 0 and 0 comma 5. Again consider the other line, x plus 2y equal to 6. That is x by 6 plus y by 3 equal to 1. That passes through 6 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. Now the other condition, x greater than or equal to 3 means x greater than or equal to 3 means a vertical line x equal to 3 and x greater than or equal to 3 means half the plane right to that of x equal to 3. Half plane right to that of the vertical line x equal to 3. The line x equal to 3 is a vertical line. Right half to the line is to be considered for x greater than or equal to 3. Y greater than or equal to 3 means first quadrant. Okay. So that is the feasible reason is here is to be observed like this. Draw this line which passes through 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0, 5 comma 0, 0 comma 5. This is the line. Okay. X plus y equal to 5. That is one line. The other line is passes through 6 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. 6 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. On joining these two lines, we get that line. X plus 2y equal to 6. Solving these two, intersection point, this intersection point is solving these two, we get this intersection point. Subtraction, we get y equal to 1. So taking y equal to 1, x equal to 4. This is the point 4 comma 1, this point. And moreover, x equal to 3 line, x equal to, here x value is 4, x equal to 3 means here. This is x equal to 3, which passes through 3 comma 0, x equal to 3. Right to that of x equal to 3, x greater than or equal to 3 means x greater than or equal to 3 means right to that of x equal to 3 to be considered. Y greater than or equal to 0 means above the x axis. So the region bounded by this one, x greater than or equal to 3 means this region, x plus y greater than or equal to 5 above this region, above this line, x plus y, above the line, and x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 6 means above this line. So the required region is above this line and above this line and right to the top of this line and above the x-axis. That means the required region is this, right to the top of this one and above the lines. Okay, this one. This is the feasible region, unbounded region. Let us consider this corner, and this is already 6 comma 0 and this is 4 comma 1 and this is x equal to 3. Taking x equal to 3 in this one, y equal to 2. This is the point 3 comma 2. Okay. So here the feasible region is unbounded. Here the feasible region is unbounded. So the maximum cannot be determined actually. The minimum is along the border. Maybe along the border. Okay. Along the border means this is x equal to 3 and this is the line segment that joins these 2 points 3 comma 2 and 4 comma 1 and this border is along this line joining 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 0 and next positive x-axis, that is the boundary of the region. Along this boundary the corners are along the boundary of the region unbounded, and along the boundary we have vertices 6 comma 0, this is one vertex, and 4 comma 1 another vertex, and 3 comma 2 of course, and remaining no vertices at all. The vertices are 6 comma 0, 4 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Observe z at these values. Okay, observe now z at 6 comma 0. Z at 6 comma 0 is minus 6 plus 2 comma 0 minus 6. Z at 4 comma 1 minus 4 plus 2 into 1 minus 2. Z at 3 comma 2 minus 3 plus 2 into 2 1. Okay. Out of all these the maximum is 1. So let us, since it is unbounded, let us consider the line. Let us consider the line minus x plus 2y, the objective function. Minus x plus 2y is less than 1. Let us consider the line or the region. Region minus x plus 2y less than 1. Minus x plus 2y less than 1 means that line is x by minus 1 plus y by 1 by 2 equal to 1. That line is, which passes through minus 1 comma 0 and 1 by 2, 0 comma 1 by 2. So this line is like this, minus x plus 2y equal to 1. There are so many points in the feasible region. Which satisfies this line. There are so many points in the feasible region which satisfies that inequality. Hence, there are so many maximum values. The maximum value cannot be determined here. Okay. Once you draw the line minus x plus 2y is less than the maximum of z obtained here, which is less than 1, then there are so many points related to the feasible region along this line, on this line, so which satisfies that inequality. So therefore, let us consider the region minus x plus 2y less than 1, which satisfied by many points, infinite points, many points of feasible region. Hence, z maximum is not exists. It does not exist. Minimum exists. The minimum value is here minus 6. You cannot get more than this minus 6 value. You cannot get more than minus 6. So the minimum is here minus 6. The maximum is not defined. The minimum is minus 6. But z minimum is minus 6. Minimum exists, but not maximum exists. So these are the problems related to exercise 12.1.